Hi friends, welcome back to Tech Yukta channel. Today we are going to simulate the Ohm's law. Let's have a basic of Ohm's law. What Ohm's law states? V is equal to I R. This is known as Ohm's law. We take two cases. Case 1, on the screen you observe or you can watch the schematic diagram of the circuit, one battery, one resistance and connected with the wire in series, two bars for sliding the voltage and resistance. In first case we fixed voltage and observe current, that is I, by varying resistance. Case 2, fixing resistance, observing current by varying voltage. That means here we vary this resistance and here we vary this voltage. This is positive and this is negative. We take case 1 and start observing on the screen. In case 1 we put or keep this voltage at constant and we try to change the value of resistance by sliding the bar and observing the value of current in this circuit. Let's start. If we slightly increase the value of resistance, gradually you can observe that the current comes down from 8 to 6, and then it further increases the value of resistance and we observe gradually the value of current is decreasing and reaches to the 4.6 milliampere current as we keep this resistance on 1000 ohm. Okay, now we can again decrease the value or varying the value of resistance less than the 500, which is our initial condition. The current increases and on the screen you can observe the value of R or alpha, that R is gradually decreases and the size of the I alphabet is increased. As we decrease the value, and you can observe the value of current is extremely high, and if we keep this resistance as lowest as 10 ohm, then the value of the current in this branch on this circuit is 460 milliampere. This is case 1. Now we observe case 2, where we have to keep resistance as constant, observing the value of current and by changing the value of voltage. Let's start. In case 2nd, we keep this value of resistance to 497 ohm as a constant and we try to decrease or increase the value of voltage. As first we move towards ground or we decreases the value, and you can observe the current at this circuit at the center here is keep going down as we decreases the voltage while keeping the resistance constant. And you can observe also the value or the size of the variable v alphabet is also shrink, and the value of I or size of this I is also decreasing. And if we increase the value of voltage, the size of the alphabet v, which resemble to the voltage equal to voltage, is increases gradually. Size also increases. That means we increasing the voltage from 0.1 volt to 4 volt, 4 to 5, 4, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, and now again we increases 7 to 7.5, 7.8, 8 volt, and we observe that the current is also increasing 16.1 milliampere right now, and the value or the size of the I is also increases, and we keep moving towards upside, and we fixed or reaches to the maximum voltage 9 volt. The size of V is increased, this I is also increased, and the current value in the circuit is 18.1 milliampere, and while keeping value of resistance constant. That means by varying the voltage and keeping the constant resistance, we can increase and decrease the value of current. Hence we can observe that this current in the circuit is directly proportional to the voltage applied to the circuit, and this current is inversely proportional to the value of resistance. This case has been observed by keeping resistance constant, fixing that, and varying the voltage, and this proportionality, inverse proportionality, is observed by case 1, and by changing the value of resistance we observe the value of I, which decreases as this resistance increases. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.